today we're going to look at a different way to work with injuries. We can really address the body on a somatic and psychological level, finding deeper meaning in our injuries. And the way that we can do this is really attuning to the sensations that are in this specific area of the body. So this video will be versatile, whatever your injury is. Maybe leave it in the comments below. Let us know what you're experiencing right now. And we'll get into a quick little exercise together that allows us to find deeper meaning in what this injury and experience is. Let's do this. So how we're going to do this exercise is through touch and questioning. We need to create an open space to allow words to kind of flow through so that we can grab those and then develop a higher consciousness perspective around the overall experience. So first things first is placing your hands around the part which has been injured. And you may also want to grab a pen and paper for after this, but right now just allow things to come up as they naturally will. So placing your hands around the injured part and keeping your eyes open, focused on this area. And if you can't touch this part, then just with your imagination, encompass this area which has been injured. As you focus on what's here, notice what you see. I'm going to ask a couple basic questions that will elicit the greater meaning. What is the injury? What happened? Give yourself the space to answer these. What were you doing an hour before your injury? Focusing in on the pain, on the inflammation. Just notice what emotions are coming up for you right now as your hands are in this area, maybe lightly stroking. Take a breath in. It's okay to be here. Mellow in deeper to this part. One last question to ask. How do you want me to move forward? building this relationship with your injury is so much more than just a passive moment that we're in right now. This is an eternal experience, a remembrance of what your body has been through, and to develop this very intimate, very personal relation is to give this moment that you're in the time that is required to heal, as it takes time, it takes patience, and it takes a hell of a lot of compassion. So with all those questions that I've asked you, everything that's come up, with your ability to hone in deeper to the pain points, to melt into the pain and to build a relationship with this pain, writing on this, elaborating more, you will find some stories, some connection to something so much greater than your woe and throes that you're in right now. Now, if you've tried this exercise, please let me know in the comments below how you experience this. I know for me right now, as I am touching and tuning into my very swollen ankle that's bruised, I just want to be alone. And it's such a vulnerable place of wanting to honor like the importance of, honestly, of being alone and of doing this alone. I hope that you have done this in the quiet space of your home. Let me know how you experience this video, and I will see you in the next one.